Are you planning to have a lot of people swimming in your pool soon? Are you scrambling because you need to clear up your pool before a party? Well, don't panic, because here are 6 things that you can do to get your pool clean and clear ASAP. Check it out. Real quick, before we continue, if you want more help taking care of your pool, be sure to grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. It's totally free and will help keep your pool clean and clear all season long. Number 1, test and balance your water before and after. Make sure your alkalinity, pH, and sanitizer levels are balanced before a lot of people use your pool. The more people that use your pool, the more your levels will change, so getting them in check before lots of people swim is important. If your pH levels are off, they can cause irritated eyes and skin. You may also want to keep your sanitizer level on the higher side, but still within range if you're expecting lots of swimmers. Chlorine levels should normally be between 1 and 3 parts per million, and you may want to consider keeping it around 3 parts per million. Number 2, shock your pool well in advance. Shock is a great way to kill any contaminants before you have lots of people using your pool. But if you're using chlorine shock, you'll want to give it enough time to dissipate before people start swimming in it. Wait several days after shocking your pool, just in case it hasn't dispersed properly. You do not want to use chlorine shock the night before a party. Number 3, tackle algae issues ASAP. If you have an algae problem in your pool, you'll need to use a chlorine-based shock to get rid of it. That means giving yourself at least several days before the party to properly shock your water. If you're having trouble getting rid of algae, be sure to check out our other video with our step-by-step algae plan. Number 4, consider using non-chlorine shock. While non-chlorine shock isn't as aggressive at killing contaminants, it's a lot safer to swim in right away. If you shock your pool with a non-chlorine shock, you don't have to wait for it to circulate and dissipate like you do with chlorine shock. You can even shock your pool the morning of your party. Just be sure to test and balance your other levels like pH and alkalinity before shocking your pool. Number 5, use a clarifier. If your pool water is cloudy, use a water clarifier to clear things up before people come over. While a clarifier won't cure the root cause of your cloudy water, it will help your water look nice and sparkling clean in the short term. Clarifier works with any type of filter system, but it can take a few days to get things completely clear, so give yourself enough time to put it to work. Number 6, give it a regular clean. Nothing can substitute for good old-fashioned elbow grease. That means skimming your pool to remove debris and leaves, brushing the sides of your pool, and vacuuming thoroughly before you have people over to swim. And just remember, if you commit to weekly cleaning and testing your water throughout the pool season, you can save yourself from scrambling at the last minute in the future. Now, if you want more help maintaining your pool throughout the season, grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimuniversity.com/cheat sheet. And if you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more pool maintenance tutorials throughout the season. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.